How to delete all emails at once on Yahoo Mail app. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can delete all emails at once on Yahoo Mail app. Now, how do you go about this? The first thing to do is to ensure that you have the Yahoo Mail app installed on your mobile device. Once that is done, go ahead and open up the app. Once you open the app, you will be brought automatically to your inbox page. Now, as you can see, I have quite a number of emails here, and then for you to be able to delete all these emails at once, on this page, right underneath inbox, you will see a checkbox next to today. Yes, a checkbox. Just go ahead and click on that checkbox. Once you click on that checkbox, you'll notice that only the emails today, that is the emails that I have received today, would be selected. For you to select all of the emails that you have on your account, right next to or right underneath the X symbol, you would see select all. That is by the top left corner of the screen. Sorry, top right corner of the screen. Top right corner of the screen. You would see select all. So just click on it. Once you click on it, all of your mails will be selected. And once these mails are selected, at the lower left corner of the screen, you would see delete icon. Just go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, a message will pop up asking you if you're sure that you want to delete all message. Click OK, and then the messages would be deleted. So this is how you can delete all emails at once in Yahoo Mail. Thanks for watching.